Hello friends, welcome to BTS Tech Lab. So this is the continuation of Python Absolute Beginner series. So in this video we'll discuss about the Python identifier. Okay, so let's open the PDF file. See, here we'll discuss what Python identifier. Python identifier. Okay, what are the rules are there? IDENTIFIERS. Sorry, FIERS. Python identifiers. Actually, so what is Python identifier? What are the rules to declare? See, identifier applicable for method, class, variables, function, everywhere. I can say everywhere it is applicable. So the name should be unique so that the conflict would not arise ongoing wherever we are writing the program for the variables, for the class name, for the method name as well. So there are certain rules are there. Okay. So what are the rules are there that we'll discuss. So Python identifier rule. Okay, Python identifier. So identifier rule. Okay, rule. R-U-L-E rule. So first, I would say the rule is first rule is what? Python. While on the naming convention point of view, we should take care of few things like the variable name or class name or method name, function name should be starts with A to Z or capital A to caps A to Z, A to Z, A to Z, and 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and then last one is underscore. Okay, so this is applicable actually. This is applicable. This things is applicable while creating the name. While creating the name. While creating the name. While creating or declaring DECLAR declaring variables. Okay, variables or declaring variables, I can say. Okay, so these things we can do. Now next one, another thing that as we know that Python is case sensitive, so as we know that the Python is case sensitive, so see, I would say Python is Python is case sensitive. So A and A are different. So let's suppose if A equals to 10 and A equals to 10, A equals to 12, then it is different. It should treat as different. So that's why we should keep in mind while declaring the variable name, class name or method name, we should keep in mind that Python is case sensitive. So this both are not same. So this is the one point I can say. Okay, this is the first point, and next I would say the second point there is no limit. There is no limit. No limit for the length of the length of the variable name. There is no limit, but it would be recommended we should keep a meaningful name always. Okay, but a recommendation is meaningful name. But RECOMMENTAT recommendation is of meaningful name. Meaningful name. Okay, a recommendation is of meaningful name. Okay, like see, like I would say what meaningful name means, like A B C, like see, A equals to 10, but we should not say like A, G, V equals to 12. This is not recommended, although this is valid, but not recommended. Okay, so this is second point, I would say. Okay, this is the second point. Now I'll go with third point. Okay, I'll go with third point. We cannot use reserve keyword. I would show you a reserve keyword. How many identifier, how many reserve keyword in the Python. So okay, so let's suppose I would say we should not use, sorry, point number 3, we should not use, we cannot use reserve, keyword, RESERV, reserve keywords. We cannot use reserve keywords like if, else. In Python, elif is there, elif, okay, etc. I'll show you how many keywords are there. So this is the third point, I would say. Okay, this is the third point. Okay, so this is first point. This is your first point. I would take another. This is your first point, second point, and this is your third point. Okay, I would erase this one. Okay. Okay, so what we have seen, this is the rule 1. I would say this is rule 1. Okay, sorry, add text here. Rule 1, I would say this is 1. Rule number 1. Okay, rule number 1. Oh, okay, no problem. Because see, I would want to. So it should remain there, no problem. So while declaring the variable A to Z, small a to z, caps A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore, we should keep these things in mind. Okay, and another thing, so let's see the variable here. So Python identifier. So how we can show the how many numbers of variable are there, or how many how many identifiers are there, how many reserve keyword are there. So reserve identifier, I can say reserve keywords. Okay, so first of all I'll show help. Okay, and run this one. Okay, run this one. See, it will open command prompt. So here is a keywords. So I'll paste here and see. If I'll go, see, there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 8 ja, sorry, 4 8 ja 32. 4 8 ja 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 4 ja 32, 32 and 3, 36. 36 keywords are there. Okay, nearly 36 keywords are there, and we cannot use while creating the variable name, class name, method name. We cannot take these one, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, it will throw error. And for the see, these are the case sensitive, as I have said earlier. These are the case sensitive: false, class, from, or. So these are the case sensitive, and these 36 keywords are there, reserve keyword I can say are there. So we will discuss these keywords in detail, but there are 36 keywords are there that we can say. And another way, see, okay, another way I would say. So if I'll okay, another way is also there, I can say. So we have import, import keyword is there, and we can print keyword dot kw list is the method, and if we execute, then we can get the same things what we have, see, in the list format. See, these are the, okay, and definitely if I'll see, if I'll take, let's suppose I don't want to print, okay, L1 equals to, I want to print the length as well, how many words are there. Okay, so L1 dot count. and if I'll print this one as well. Okay, see what happens, how many are there. Okay, and print L1 as well. print print L1. So see what happens, how many are there. Sorry, count takes exactly 0 argument. Okay, count takes exactly 1 argument, 0 given. Okay, so what keywords? Let's give the keyword here. See what happens. We execute this one. 0 is there. So another function I can say like dot length. Okay, length of L1. Okay, now it's here. Okay, now if we execute 35 are there. Sorry, 35 are there. 4 8s are 32 and 3 35. 35 are there. Sorry, the count is 35. 35 keywords are there, and these are the way that we can find. Okay, so this is the way I can say. That's all about the identifier. There are 35 identifiers are there, and this is the rule I can say. See, while creating the variable, we should keep in mind that Python are case sensitive, so A and A are different. There is no limit, but recommendation is meaningful name. And one more thing I want to show you, that is actually the important. Let's suppose if I want to, okay, let's suppose I'll take here and add text. What? Let's suppose if we are declaring a, then underscore a, underscore a, and underscore a, underscore. So there is some meaning is there, I can say. Okay? There is some meaning is there. So they have done some specific meaning. They have also some specific meaning. I'll tell you here itself. So if I'll go here, see. So for this one, what it is a normal variable, I can say. ML normal variable. And then what is this one? This is protected. protected variable. Okay. Protected. Not protected. 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 Protected variable. Okay, this is protected variable. Sorry, and this one is what? This one is, I would say, private variable. Private variable. And this one is magic variable. MAGIC, magic variables. Okay, magic variable. I would show you. So see, these have specific meanings. A, we can denote for a normal variable. If somewhere we need to protected variable, then underscore a is protected variable. Underscore a is private variable. Underscore a underscore is magic variable. So I can see here magic variable. Let's suppose, see, import, and if we add and see, this is a kind of magic variable, magic method, I can say. So I'll discuss in great details in the coming videos what is magic variable and magic methods are there. Magic methods we are using in the achieving the Python overloading, as Python did not support the overloading. So we'll discuss in details. But for now, we'll limit our topic for the Python identifier. So Python identifier is these are the rules and these are the constraints that we can take. Okay, and these are the keywords. 35 keywords are there. So that's all in this video, and in the coming video we'll discuss more on the basics of the Python, and then gradually we'll move on the advanced concept. Okay, so please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.